How do you know how much the insurance company will pay out on your homeowner's claim? Let's talk about that. Hey, how's it going? It's Ryan with Smith & Sons Insurance Agency, where we are transforming the way individuals, families, and business owners secure financial stability. This video today is about homeowners insurance. How do you know what the company is going to pay out before they do? How much coverage do you have? Well, let's look at it this way. There's two main parts of a homeowner's policy. There's the coverage for the property, not just the dwelling or the house or the building, the structure, but there's also your personal property and your belongings, things that aren't a part of the house that you own. And then the other major part of the policy is the liability side. So what we have here are coverages for things that are known. They know the value. They know how much a claim would pay out if it were a total loss. Or you have the liability, which is an unknown. You've got the unknown expenses there. If there's a claim for personal liability, well, depending on what happens, it could go up to the limit of the policy, which is, it should be. We try and always have our clients put in $250,000, $300,000, $500,000 on their homeowner's policy, but then an extra $1 million on the umbrella policy. So with a liability claim, you don't know how much the claim is going to end up being. You want a large number there to cover any possible losses. It's never easy to say how much liability insurance will be enough, because the correct amount is $1 more than the claim ends up being. So you can't tell that before the claim happens. It's not like the property side where there is a value for the building and a value for all your belongings and a value for the loss of use. So those things are more or less determined and known, and then there's the unknown claims expenses. So if you've got a question about that, leave a comment, send us a note, find us on Facebook or more videos on our YouTube channel, and of course, tell someone you know about our educational content there. Appreciate you watching. Thanks.